Do you want to get started investing in real estate but think you need a lot of money to put down? Do you want to build your portfolio quickly? My name is Jamaal Gibbs and I'm an agent over at BRRRR Structure in the Denver metro area. I connect you to beautifully designed homes worth living life to the fullest. And I want to show you a strategy I use with a lot of my first-time investors as well as experienced investors with a lot less money than you would think and get you a great return on your money. The strategy that I'm talking about is usually referred to as BRRRR. It stands for buy, rehab, rent, refinance, and repeat. The basic idea of the strategy is to buy a property that's below market value with a hard money loan. You rehab the property and fix it up to bring it to rental ready condition. You rent out the property to a tenant, refinance the hard money loan to a more conventional loan, and then you turn around and repeat the process. The first step would be to buy a property. You're going to want to find a property that's 10 to 20% below market value that needs mostly cosmetic updates. Buying with that amount of discount means that you'll have a lot more equity going into the deal, and you'll be purchasing the property with what's called a hard money loan, which is a loan that allows you to purchase a property with a slightly higher down payment than you would normally find with a conventional or FHA product. But the lender will cover the rest of the purchase price as well as give you some money for the repairs that are needed. It is a short-term loan and the interest rates are a lot higher, but since you're buying the property at a discount, it'll help you cover some of these costs, and it means you'll come out of pocket with a lot less money. The next step would be to rehab the property, and ideally it's going to be a light one where you just update the bathrooms, maybe the kitchen, paint and carpet, and just some general updating. And you don't want to get too fancy with your repairs just due to the fact that it's going to be a rental and most likely everything is going to get used a lot more anyway. You basically just want to make the property look attractive to potential tenants. And the whole project should take a couple of months until you're ready to rent it out. And now the next step of the process would be to rent out the property. You're going to start screening for tenants, and you want great tenants that are going to pay market rate for rentals in the area. One of the biggest things is you're going to want to find a tenant pretty quickly. That way you can refinance out of that hard money loan into something that's going to have a lot cheaper interest rate as well as a longer amortization period, usually 30 years. Which brings us to the next step, which would be to refinance. And since we bought the property with a hard money loan, we want to refinance out as quickly as possible due to the fact that the loan has a lot higher interest rate and the monthly payments are going to be a lot higher compared to what you would pay with a conventional loan. This then allows you to pull up to 75% of the new value of the renovated property, and you can use that money to pay off the hard money lender. And the last step is to rinse and repeat. Now this is just a very simple overview of the process, but it's great because if you're a newer investor and you don't have a lot of money but you want to get into the rental game, you can use the hard money loan to come out of pocket with maybe 10% of the entire project. And this is going to allow you to buy the property, do all the necessary renovations, and then you basically refinance out and you pull out all that money. You'll still be left with about maybe 25% of the total value of the property in the home, and then you'll have a renter paying down the rest of that mortgage. I hope this gets some of your gears turning and you can start to see how you can invest in real estate with little money down. And definitely reach out to me if you have any other questions about the entire process or if you want a more deeper dive into how it all works. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. You can reach out to me anytime. Shoot me an email or give me a call or visit my website. I'll include all of that in the description of the video. Look forward to hearing from you soon, and happy investing.